If we consider the 4 dimensions of process performance, cost, quality, variety, and time, we realize that they are connected and that managers of operations often have to make a decision, which is a strategic decision, whether to focus more on one of them at the cost of sacrificing another. For example, if you want to provide higher quality, often it becomes at a higher cost. If you want to increase variety or reduce responsiveness, again, this may cause an increase in the cost, so reduction in cost efficiency. But the other measures are also connected. For example, if you have higher variety, you might have a harder time delivering high quality for all the possible variants of the product that you have. The same thing happens with responsiveness. Higher variety may mean that you have much more variants of the products that the inventory of a retailer, let's say, has to carry. And because of this, the time, the responsiveness, measured as is the product, the variant of the product that the customer desires, is it available immediately, or maybe there's a stock out and the customer has to wait for it. And similar interactions can be done in actually every measure. So basically, there are strategic choices that companies have to make when they design their processes to deliver certain products or services. For example, compare choices that a fast food restaurant has to make on those 4 dimensions and choices of a high-end restaurant. Fast food restaurant will definitely focus on time because responsiveness is something that customers expect. On the other hand, the other dimensions, while the customers would be happy to have higher variety, very good quality, and very low cost, they are not as important, and reasonable variety will be accepted. Similarly, acceptable quality and not too high cost will be something that customers will be able to accept. On the other hand, if you consider high-end dining, responsiveness is not that important. Customers are used to waiting a bit longer for their meal to prepare, as long as it is a very high-quality meal, as long as they have a good variety to choose from, and perhaps even specify to the chef to modify a recipe to their liking. And then the customers expect that the price will be probably considerably higher than in the fast food restaurant.